I'm trying to figure out why I am so bothered by this, and I think it goes back to napag-uusapan natin dito sa mga episodes natin sa Puma Podcast, yung episode natin with Atom and Volt ng Fight PH,
Mm.
'di ba? Uh, I think it's very important to be conscious about who we platform
Mm.
and whose stories we
Mm.
center,
Mm.
especially given that there's already very low trust in
Mm.
media,
Mm.
in media organizations in the Philippines. And so I find it so problematic that the stories you would choose to center, itong mayayaman,
Mm.
magaganda yung kotse,
Mm.
'di ba? Instead of the communities that
Mm.
we're trying to serve. And that was the big lesson of Fight and many other media
Mm.
organizations around the world to, center the voices of the audiences and the communities we
Mm.
serve. And in this case, hindi yun. So I think that was my first problem with it, even before the 10 million, even before
Mm.
any talk of whether there was corruption or not, even before any allegations. Because as we know, trust in media is low. And I feel like pag tinira mo yung isang media, lahat tayo apektado. Or pag may kalokohan ginawa yung isa, lahat tayo apektado.